I fundamentally believe that solar is the future of energy, right? So it's the fastest growing, the most affordable energy source we have on this planet. But today's solar technology is running into a fundamental ceiling. It hasn't made a fundamental efficiency improvement in decades. Right? So at Swift Solar, we are building the next generation of solar technology. We are putting a perovskite solar cell on top of a silicon cell, and by breaking up the solar spectrum into two different parts and converting each part more efficiently, we have a more efficient solar cell. So we can boost the efficiency over silicon alone by up to 50%. After breaking through, solving problems for many, many years, we're finally ready to scale this up into manufacturing. All right, so we just did something that nobody expected, and I'm super excited to tell you about this big move that we're making. So we just acquired the core assets of Europe's leading solar manufacturer, Meyer Burger. So they had world-class silicon technology and an amazing engineering team. We're bringing that all in-house. So at Swift, we're bringing together the best of German silicon technology and the best of American perovskite technology to build the next generation vertically integrated US solar manufacturer. I'm excited to be building the generational solar company right here in the US. Yeah, Gunter Erfurt used to run Meyer Burger as their CEO, and before that as their CTO. And he's had decades, over 2 decades in the silicon solar industry. He and his team have actually built multiple gigawatt scale factories, and he's now joined Swift to lead this effort alongside our US manufacturing leadership. When people ask now, can you build a factory? Can you actually do this? That's the answer. Like, we've got the guy, we've got the team, we've actually done it before. Yeah, so the plan is really simple. So step 1, to build a gigawatt scale silicon cell and module factory right here in the US. So proven technology, real customers, real revenue. Then step 2 is to layer on perovskite tandems right on top in the same production line. So silicon today, tandems tomorrow. Yeah, it's been a long journey. So we've been building this company for almost 10 years now, and this is going to be the hardest thing that we've ever done. But the physics is inevitable, the team is world-class, and we're ready to build the future of solar right here in the US.